Well, hello everybody. Is it cold outside? Yeah. Uh-huh. I think so. 'Cause the weather outside is frightening. No, it's not delightning. And if you got no place to go, go to DG and let it snow. ah, there you go. There's your laugh for the day, guys. All right, come on in. Let's see what's going on sale today at DG. Whether or not you can get out to go and get it. Because if you live in the lower half of the country, well, you probably snowed in. So let's have a look. We got Coke on sale again. Good, because I didn't make it Saturday, did you? And we've got the A&W root beer and the Dr. Pepper going. We also still have our deal on our Pepsi and Mountain Dews, the 3 for 12. But our chip deal has changed. We've got the Ruffles and the Tostitos, buy two, get two free. 2 for 6 on your Lay's regular potato chips. And of course, that will give you that, in the Mountain Dew will give you that $3 off store coupon. Now, they told me they were waiting for the Green Mountain coffee to go on sale. Well, there you go, baby. It's on sale for $5.95 for the K cups. I think they're regularly $9. So that's a good deal. Now, I want you to look at all this free money that we have this week. Yeah, free money is when Dollar General gives us additional store coupons. In some cases, they'll work with their 5 off 25. In some cases, they won't. Now, we have the spend 25 and save $5 on the Bounty and Charmin and Puffs. That usually works with their 5 off 25. I haven't tried the Angel Soft 5 off of 25. And of course, we've got our 3 off of 15, and we know that also works with our 5 off 25. We got a freebie this week of a Airwick warmer, and just in time, buy 3 get 1 free. But that sale I think was already going on. And then we have this one. This is much better than just the Gain, because it's on the Gain, Downy, Bounce, and what's our other one? Oh, the Ariel. Okay, so save by when you spend $30 on any of those. And remember, those are spend coupons, so you have to spend that to save that. All right, we have got five, $2 off of the $5 Arm and Hammer. It's going to make that $3. Looks like we've got a $2 on the Purex, which will work with our free money of 3 off of 15. This is the buy 3 get 1 free for the hand warmers. You might need those. $5 for the Glad trash bags. That is 95-cent savings. That's a good deal. $1 per box. And then $4 instant savings still on our Scott for $20. They're trying to get us adjusted to that, I do believe. Buy one, get one free on our clocks, pillows, lamps, furniture, and dinnerware. Holy moly, what deals. That's a really good deal. And then we have 3 off 16 for your Mountain Dew Pepsi products. And of course, we got the 4 off still in play. $4 on your Oreo cookies and your Ritz crackers for $3.50. $7.50. You gotta spend $8. Pick up another dollar pack of Oreos, and you're there to get your more free money of a $3 store coupon off. Let's see what else we've got. Is that 5 for 5? It is 5 for 5 on your RC Cola and Sunkist. There you go. We've got some really good deals. I think they're gearing you up for Super Bowl. We've got 5 for 5 on your Tombstone pastries, I guess is what you'd call them. 3 for 6 on the Rayburn sandwiches. Those things are pretty good. Grill them like a grilled cheese. They're even better. $4.95 on your French fries. Good deal. 2 for $6 on candy. Of course, it's candy time because of Valentine's Day. So let's go have a look at all those. Buy 2, get 1 free. 2 for $6, 2 for $10. Nothing jumping out as being buy me, buy me. You got your little Eggo single waffle packs for $1. If you're, a single person and you're just buying a few things for the week, that might serve you well. $6.50 for Maxwell House. That's a good deal. $3 for $5 on your chunky soups. $3 for $5 on your Progressos. Oh, look, we got some more freebies again still. We've got our pasta sauce and our spaghetti noodles again. That's a really good deal. Don't pass that up. If nothing else, just for emergency food. You got your buy 2 Taco Bell items and get a Taco Bell seasoning for free. 3 for $3 on your Velveeta or Kraft macaroni. That's a really good deal. Oh, this is regular price, pretty much. Your North Side's on sale at $125. They're normally $150. Okay, coupon deals. BOGO on your Palmolive and your Ajax. Buy 1, get 1 free. On your Finish dish detergent things. Buy 1, get 1 free. As well as $2 off on your Lysol sanitizer spray. This is the time of year you need that, so pick that up as well. I mean, this right here is an any day deal all by itself. Look at this. This is going to be, if you get the Palmolive, it's going to be $7. This is going to be $18 because they're $9 a piece. But with these 2 coupons, you're going to spend $12.50 for 4 of these products. And that's a win-a-win, a chicken dinner deal right here at your first daily deal of the week. Run and go get this stuff because the Finish at BOGO may be gone. It could be a run deal depending on how much supply is on the shelf. You got your cutting boards, buy 1, get 1 free. Candles, buy 1, get 1 50% off on your True Living. Your blankets, we'll wait on those because we know those are going to be buy 1, get 1 free here before long. And of course, we've got your little gift items, anywhere from $1 to $3. Oh, what an awesome week this is going to be. More buy 1, get 1 free deals. We have got the Swiffer at $10 a piece. Buy 1, get 1 free coupon. So your 5 off 25 for this is going to be great. So you can also pick up these today. And then your out-of-pocket would be $22. So you're saving 50%, and it's not even a clearance event. More free money, $8 when you spend $25 on Tampax Always or Discreet. And we usually have urns with this. I'm not sure if the urns will work. We'll have to give it a try to see. And for those of you with babies, we've got 2 for $15 on your Love's diapers with a $3 coupon off of 2 for $12, or $23 for your big ones with a $2 off. I think you're better off with the 2 for $12 actually. And then we also have 3 off of Pampers, Easy Ups, and 3 off of a $30 box of Pampers. Look at the sale on the soft soap and the Irish Spring soap. $2.50 instead of $3.25. That's a pretty good deal. Speed Stick. There was a coupon. I don't know if it's still good or not. And of course, those store coupons are still in play for all of your Purina and your Pedigree deals. Okay, they're still in play out there. So there you go, guys. There is your... Oh, wait a minute. We missed one. Instant savings of $3 when you spend $10 on the Rexall vitamins. So, free money everywhere. So there you go, guys. You got your daily deal. Go get that dish detergent and that finish because, like I said, that's going to be a run deal. Those are going to be gone. Same with the Swiffers. Those are going to be gone. There's only about 8 of them on the shelf. So if 4 people come in and do this deal, they're gone. Make sure you're one of those. Because you don't want to miss out. So blessings. And I'll talk to you again real soon. Like I said, leave it in the comments. Are you snowed in? I want to know everybody's okay. If nothing else, send me a thumbs up. I love you bunches. And I'll see you on the next video. Blessings.